because our package came, but I also want to take some of our plants that we have in our green stock, that we have in our garden, out to the green stock. As you can hear, the garden is watering the plants now. Got my coat on so we can go. So, welcome cultivators. I know I gave it a few minutes to start. We're going to be planting some arugula and we're going to be planting some lettuce outside. It is right in the middle of watering, so it's quite loud. Let me go get a plate or something to put the plants in because we're gonna be carrying them out. So this is what we're taking out. We're taking out this arugula right here, and to our green stalk, and we're gonna take out some of this lettuce and thin it out in our green stalk. But it's there running. We have red tatsu. That's another plant that probably can go. You know what? We should take out. We're gonna take out a couple of them. We're gonna take out iceberg too, and our red tatsu. So we're gonna take out a few plants to our green stalk. Also, there are our green stalks. Two of them are green stalk unboxing packages that came in. So we are going to be using those. So let's put you guys in the tripod. Today is a good day to garden, and let's get started. We'll get to it eventually. Just gonna lay the stuff here, add some water, because we don't want our plants to dry out. It may take me a little while. Let's get our arugula. So the plants are currently being watered, so they are very moist. We're gonna pull everything out except for the one that's stained. So we have our arugula that came in pretty good. This is our arugula. The roots well past an inch. That's why I put it directly in the garden, because I was like, it's past time, but I haven't gotten a chance to do it. So let me start, open it up. We're not going to use any rock wool because of the plants out. This going into the green stock. Oops, I just cut up a root there. See if we could take this out real as easy as possible. Sometimes they take long to get outside, so I put them in these containers. I'm going to leave 2 in there. So I would put them in this plate with some water so they could keep moisturized. You don't want them drying out. I'm going to leave those in. Do 1 or 2 per cube. It's supposed, they advise 1 for a lot of things. Certain things don't need to be thinned, like a lot of the herbs, but the lettuce is usually 1. I put 2 sometimes. And then let's go. So the iceberg is not even inside of our garden. Let's find a place to put it. One of those, I think, out there were coming out. So let me put it in. Actually, there's a lot of space in the other one. So we're going to take our iceberg and put it here. And there was a plant here that I think I was taking out. Monte Carlo is doing good. All right, so I guess there's nothing to be thinned here. We're going to put this up here. Doesn't look like, well, it's just chives. So there shouldn't be any threat to it, to the chives up here. We're going to put it right here, not in the main light. The iceberg is one of those that did need cooler temperatures, so I'm putting it here. There we go. So we're back to having more lids than we have openings. That's good. All right, so let's take our plants out that we thinned, put them in our green stock, and then we're going to unbox the new ones. Of course, you got to be very gentle. These grew up, started tangling, they grew. Some are very skinny here. Come on, we don't want it. We got to detangle them. They don't have any detangler. And they all grew at different times. These leaves are a lot larger, so they are not separating. There we go. It's easy. So we got our larger ones here. This is where I put those in. Let's add this area. Add all 4 of these. I am burying them a lot deeper because they are skinny and leggy. So we don't bury them where they were exposed to it, burying them pretty much up to the neck, um, to help develop. And we're spreading them out, even though they're really close together. There we go. So again, we're burying them, we're planting them all the way down to the neck part. Even though the roots are pretty long, we're getting them all the way in there. These, because the soil is so damp and it's still going to rain again later on, I am not watering them because it's going to be raining shortly. I'm going to take the water from the plate and adding it in there. All right. Okay. So we got 2 boxes. One was super heavy and the other one was medium. Let's go for the, I don't know. We'll go for the first one I brought in. So I don't know what happened when it was out there. Honest way, I ordered this. There was a sale going on, warehouse clearance sale. They were retiring certain colors, so they say, and they're on sale. I'm like, wow, now I know how people end up with so many. I said, oh, this would be a great gift. But then, you know, the shipping and all that. So then I ended up with more than just a great gift. Also, I wanted to work on my fall plants. So I got some stuff for that. All right, so let's see. This is what's in here. So this is the gift one. So if you're watching this video and then later on you see this is your gift. This is a gift one. It's pretty straight to the point. Black, which is on sale. And then this color, which I believe matches the person's deck that I'm giving it to. And then this one, it was free shipping and they were on sale. So these are the 2 colors. So those are the lids. The lids do not come with that. I purchased the lids separately. These are the reservoirs. I guess this is a very efficient way to pack it. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is the leaf. Both of them are leaves with 2 covers. So I always, when I do them, the ones I have are so again, this is the water reservoirs, and then this is the in between each one container, and it's 2 separate ones. So I'm gonna have to repack this one in just with 1 color when I give it to the person. And then these are all the water reservoirs that go in between. So of course this is 2 separate GreenStalks. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 for each. So 3 is going to stay with me, and then 3 is going to go back in the box. Let me actually just put the things separate so I know what I'm giving back. And so these are leaf. This is the first time I'm purchasing a leaf. I'm getting some good messages. The leaf is a little smaller. I mean, it's the same height, but the containers are smaller than the original, which has the much deeper containers. So they're good for more shallower plants, such as what I was planting outside. Things like herbs and thyme and those type of things. So the leaf gives you a lot more. I mean, the leaf gives you smaller pockets for planting smaller plants. There's a whole list. There's tons of plants too. So it's not too limited, but it's not all of the herbs fit in it. So I'm going to tell you exactly what goes in the leaf. So marigold, arugula, basil, bok choy, chive, cilantro, dill, fennel, garlic, lavender, lemon balm, lettuce. So tons of things can go in the leaf. But the original has like spaces for bigger plants like corn, cabbage, sweet potatoes, leeks, eggplants. So zucchini, a lot larger plants. So one is 10 inches and one is 7 inches. So this is the peppercorn color. And the leaf comes with a lot more rows. Whereas the original has 5, the leaf has 7 rows. So we have 7 rows. Here's that. And then the other color is in here. It's almost out. Nice and neat. There we go. Here is the black. So the black, this is it. It's nice and compact. Now I'm thinking I may not even give it to the person in a big box. Here's the black. This is all for both of them. If they were just one, it would just be this water reservoir. See, together. Each row's reservoirs, and then the lid. So that's the black one. You probably will be seeing more of the black one. There we go. There we go. Here's the other one. And of course, it always comes with a book and some information to help you out as well. There we go. So this one is more along my color palette. Let me move these. I feel like this one should be inside, but I don't know what it matches with. But I saw that they do have adjustments for inside, so maybe it will go in inside. We'll see. So we have pink. If I do bring this one, leave this one inside, which is not a bad idea, I probably would put it in my office. It's not usually advised to keep the soil plants and the other plants together. However, once Christmas comes, they're going to be together because I have to condense my plants so that the trees can go in. This is the top water reservoir where you put the main set of water in. So it says water only. The hole goes down here and it distributes the water to all of the other levels. This is the frost cover. So this is when I say these are some of the fall things that I wanted to get. This is the frost cover I'm going to be using on the one that is staying outside, which is the GreenStalk. And this is the one that's going to be outside, not the one that's in the room. This is a reservoir. This is five of them. This is a original, not a what do you call it again? A leaf. I ordered some trimmers because one of my scissors, as you can see, opening here, got rusted. The kids keep touching it. I still need to have 2, one for inside and one for outside. So this is going to be my inside one. Oh, I got some seeds. I hear them. Jalapeno peppers, and this looks like bunching onions, and some cool new stickers. You know, I like to put the stickers on so I know which direction that I'm putting them in. Yes, Addie? Okay, it's okay. Come on. And then, of course, it always comes with a book. I got some plant food to refresh the soil. I had some already, so you guys saw when I was refreshing the soil. I was using that. That's what this is for. Let's see how I'm doing with charge. I don't want you guys to just turn off. And then here is, oh wait, one more thing. And then this is the drip tray. We're gonna see how this works and see if it's good enough for inside. This is the drip tray to collect the water and use it for indoors. So this is gonna allow me to use my GreenStalk indoors. So we're gonna see how this goes. That's why I said maybe we'll try this out inside and see how it goes from there. The pink does match with inside. But I was originally planning on taking the green one, the tan one that is outside inside. and put it in the kitchen. That we have outside that we just added the lettuce to and put that in the kitchen. And then this is the original. So this is the original. As you can see, it's much deeper. It's much deeper, and then it's 5 rows. So I'm going to show you the comparison of what original and the leaf looks like. We got some stuff in the bottom here. So this is the original. And this is the leaf. So as you can see, each pocket is a different, depth. There you go. So each pocket is a different depth. So that's the difference between the original size and then the leaf size with the sizes of the pockets. So that's why different plants can go into each one, but you can mix and match them like this. They can go in, they can hook into each other. This is easy because I'm here trying to balance it with my hand in midair. Yes? What happened? So as you can see, they can go interchange each other. All right, is that the bus you said? It sounds like the bus. All right, so this is what we got in our unboxing of our GreenStalks. We got our gifted one, our pink one, our black one. We got our frost cover, our trays, water trays, our fertilizer. So stay tuned as we set these up. We're never going to set up the other one because it's a gift, but we'll be setting up the black and the pink, or possibly interchanging, having them being black and pink. Usually, sometimes you can keep them short. They don't have to be so tall. I might put one in here, maybe after the holiday season. What happened? What are you scared of? The bee? She doesn't like the bee on the cover. So thank you very much for joining as I did my unboxing. And I will talk to you guys next time. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please remember, for more information, go to avgardening.com, and remember to support us and join the Cultivators at at Patreon/Angeline Verdant, VERDENT. And for updates, follow us on Instagram, Facebook. For updates, we have a lot of photos of what's happening with the plants and the stuff that we saw. Thank you very much. Look at this one, the matches there so well. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.